Right, Mumtaz, this is the other bit. There's a network point right here. Okay, this is for internet, right? This wall is the wall where the toilet is going to come now, right? And from here to the other bit, as you say, is 8-inch. And because we are leaving this gap here, I think that the toilet will finish with this particular wall that's going to come on from this beam here. So what you need to tell Siva is he's got a Ethernet route here. He needs to switch this Ethernet route, move this to this unit here, right? To this unit here, okay? To this wall basically, right? And then yeah, I think that will be okay there, right? So basically this wall, as you can see, is here, is coming from opposite that bedroom which we are going to break now, okay? And then if on the right of this is the other internet thing that I told you about. See that? That's going into this particular bit, right? That's the one in the previous video I told you that has to come out, right? It has to come out somewhere here, okay? It can't come out here, but it has to be shifted somewhere else, right? Because this wall is going to break off. And if this bit here is the beam opposite the beam that's supporting the concrete beam up there, okay, we are going to leave about 2 feet here. So I think we don't need to touch this if that's the case. Okay, let's just see that. I can't see that beam here right now. Okay, yeah, the video doesn't cover that, so I don't know. Let's see if it covers it after this. No, it doesn't. Yeah, there is. I think it's covering. There, okay, it's going. There it is. There, right. It is covered a bit there. So let's rewind that. Right. Okay, so we have 2 feet. Okay, so basically we are from this beam, we are leaving 2 feet. So it might just come in that sector, right, where we are going to extend this wall to. So this guy might just break the wall up to here, okay, or maybe up to there. So these two might be saved. If they are not saved, then you have to tell Siva that after taking the measurement that you might have to shift little to the other side. Okay, but remember there'll be a door here. Okay, there'll definitely be a door here. Okay, so remember that. That's what I wanted to put on this video.